downplane formation, the nucleus of this entity, this formation, as they work their way through about 6,000 feet. On command of the team leader, they will split and at a predetermined altitude deploy the high-flying canopies of the iSkydive America skydiving team. They'll then turn to the downwind, 180 degrees from the target area. Turn base left, 90 degrees from the target, and then turn inbound to the wind or through final approach. You will see one of those tubes working their way down. Those are the sparklers that we're seeing. Just a little bit of pyro. We've got good chutes high above us right now as we welcome our jumpers into the target area. Even though we're enjoying the atmosphere here on the ground at altitude, it is quite quiet, and the ground is a great reflector of sound. Let's make some noise and bring our jumpers in right on target. Working their way down to the target area, flying these ram air canopies. As they work their way down to just a couple hundred feet, once again, make some noise and get these jumpers in right into the target area. The iSkydive America parachute team are pleased to perform for you and thank you for the opportunity to be part of the 2026 New Jersey Airshow.